Okay, so I thought I'd show you a bit of what I'm doing right now. Obviously, packing. How many t-shirts does one need for a trip like this? Probably not that many. I should leave the house in about 30 minutes. There's nothing in my bag. Just to make clear, I'm not lying. Yes, no. I have no idea what kind of shoes I need. I know that I can basically buy everything, but I'm really stingy, so I probably won't. So yeah, just walking around the house, not knowing what I'm supposed to do right now. I mean, I know I'm supposed to be packing, but here's all my meds that I'm taking with me. I don't know, I'm not bringing like any beauty products. Like, I don't need any, but also because I can buy everything there. Not gonna be carrying like shampoo bottles with me from here. So what I'm thinking right now is just gonna sit down, have a cup of coffee, procrastinate maybe a bit more. The thought of leaving is the best right now, but I don't want to do any preparations for it though. But yeah, that's it for now, I guess. I would really appreciate if my brain started working so much that I could even put all these clothes into the bag, but no, they're just on the bed. So I'll probably be walking around with these for the whole 6 weeks I'm there. So, but yeah, packing, so much fun.